Hello and welcome to another weekly grocery haul and meal plan inspiration. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you're not already, please subscribe, and if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go shopping.
All right, we are back from Aldi, and we also stopped at Wegmans to get a couple of things that Aldi didn't have, but most everything we did get from Aldi today. Now let's just start right over here with the produce. I have some baby Bella mushrooms. I like to use these over white mushrooms because they have a little more flavor. I'll be using these in like stir fry this week. Some fresh parsley, bananas because we always get bananas. I have some yellow onions because we were running low on those. Avocados were $1. It's not as cheap as I've seen them, but it's definitely not as much as they were last week, so I grabbed one of those. I grabbed a bag of spinach. The bags of salad mixes have been climbing in price lately, so don't mind the screams. So I grabbed a bag of spinach. We're gonna use this for salad instead of like a spring mix. Going upwards. This I did not get from Aldi, I got it from Wegmans, but I got some Concord grapes because I'm going to be making some grape pie bars as part of my dessert series for you guys coming up. Make sure you subscribe because Monday I will be posting my apple fritter recipe, and you guys want to make sure you have that in your arsenal for fall. Okay, where are we going? We're going back. We're going straight back. Some dark roast cake cups for my husband to take to work. And I have the house blend of the Barissimo coffee. This is what I drink on the weekends. And over here, I was able to snag a couple of their new scents, smoked pumpkin cider. And this one is Winter Lodge. They have a more, I would call it comforting scent, like a little muskier, a little cleaner scent on the Winter Lodge one. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'm just rambling now. Okay, diapers. We got a box of diapers for my son as well as some wipes. I do like all these baby stuff. It is a good bargain. Over here, I grabbed a whole bunch of these. I don't have them all out, but I have probably about 10 of these as well. These squeezes. You guys know I'm a big fan of these squeezes. They come in all different flavors. And I grabbed some of this Pompane extra virgin olive oil. They had this and they also had a milder one. These were like $4.98 or something on sale. They're a good deal. They are the first cold press olive oil, so they are legit good quality. So I had to grab one of those because I'm almost out. Also, another bottle of canola oil because I've been doing a lot of frying lately. A can of pumpkin. I will be posting a pumpkin recipe in the next week, the week after this Monday. Spanish olives, because I like me some olives. And I got the Himalayan sea salt. I was out of sea salt and I decided that I would grab the Himalayan pink salt this time. We have a couple cheeses here. We have sharp cheddar and Swiss. The Swiss is going to be for some Cubanos that we're going to make. Parmesan cheese because we were out. We go to Parmesan cheese a lot. Over here, I grabbed a Kansas City barbecue. They had the Kansas, Memphis, Texas, and St. Louis, maybe? I don't know. I don't remember. But these, they put them on sale, so they were like $1.19 going out of season, so I had to grab one of those as well. Just a simple pasta sauce, because I like to keep that around just in case. I got this Mojo marinade, Mojo. I got it at Wegmans anyway, because I'm going to be making some Cuban style pork roast with it. Moving on. Oh, guys, this chicken salad from Aldi is really good. I tried the cranberry almond last week, so I figured I would just try the classic this week, and I'm excited to give that a shot. Really good, you guys. A bag of mini chocolate chips just to keep in my baking cabinet for different things. Some frozen vegetables. Sometimes I do the fresh vegetables, but I was feeling lazy this week, so I grabbed a California medley vegetable. I also grabbed a bag of frozen peas. I grabbed some more yogurt because we're out. Cream and milk. These are for recipes. I don't normally buy cream and milk. Now, a couple of fun things that I did see at Aldi today. Pumpkin cheesecake drizzled caramel corn. That, guys, looks so rich. I can't wait to give that a try. Let me know if you've tried this before. Something that's probably there more often, but I really never notice it. They have these specialty mac and cheese. This one's truffle and porcini mushroom, and I can't remember what the other ones were, but they had 2 other kinds as well. So I figured that I would just snag this and we could give it a try when we're feeling like not cooking or whatever. By special request, I grabbed some of the farfalle, the bow tie pasta for my husband, and a bag of the blue corn tortilla chips. I really like those. A box of the Clubhouse crackers. These are probably my favorite of just like regular plain crackers, and I got them also for my son because they're easy for him to eat. And some steak fries. I like their steak fries. They're a good deal. They're pretty cheap and all that. Good stuff over at Aldi. This I got from Wegmans. Wild Mike's jalapeno stuffed crust cheesy bites. Yeah, I don't know. They were on sale, so I thought I would give them a try. And some thick slice bacon. I don't know if this is new, the thick slice, but I don't recall seeing them having the thick slice before, so I thought I would grab it and try it. Maybe I'm just crazy. And then we have some Italian bread. I couldn't find Cuban bread, so I went for Italian bread instead. Some fish sticks. I got these for my son as an alternative to chicken nuggets. We haven't tried those ones yet, but we tried some other fish sticks from Aldi that were pretty good. And then, of course, we got some of these seltzers. My husband's been liking them lately, too, as well. So I've got about, I think, like 10 total of these, just in different flavors. Cherry, strawberry, peach, and there's a lime as well. From Wegmans, I got the Marie's Chunky Blue Cheese. We have some chicken wings in the freezer, and I love blue cheese in my chicken wings. So this is definitely the best kind that I like off the shelves, because it's just like you don't get the same kind of blue cheese that you do from pizza shops out of the bottles. So that's as close as I could find. I like that one a lot. We have here a vanilla cannoli cream latte coffee creamer, because Aldi was literally out of every last coffee creamer, so I had no choice but to buy a different one. I bought it from Wegmans. Never tried the cannoli. It looks good, so yeah, it's probably gonna be good. We also got some of the soy milk for my son and a case of water. And that wraps it up, guys. So stay tuned for some meal plan inspiration. I've got that coming up for you right now. Right, here is our weekly meal plan for this week. On Monday, I'm going to be making up some stir fry with a bit of leftover seitan from last week. If you didn't catch last week's video, seitan is the Vital Wheat gluten protein. It's a meat substitute. Tuesday, I'm going to be doing a taco salad. I still have a bunch of ground beef in my freezer, so I figured I'd get a little creative and make taco salad with that. On Wednesday, we're going to just do an easy pasta Alfredo. I have pasta already, and I'm going to be buying some Alfredo sauce here. Thursday, I'm going to be trying to make Swedish meatballs. I've never made Swedish meatballs before, but my husband requested them specifically, so I figured I would give them a try. Let me know down in the comments if you ever tried to make Swedish meatballs yourself and how they turn out. Friday, again, I have lots of leftover ground beef, so we're going to be making burgers once again, and I'm going to be making some carrot fries. Carrot fries are a great alternative to regular potato fries. They're a little bit healthier as well because they're baked. Saturday, I'm going to be experimenting with a Caribbean pork recipe. I have a bunch of pork shoulder that I bought a couple weeks ago, so I'm going to defrost some of that, and I'm going to be roasting it Caribbean style and serving it with some rice. And then on Sunday, with leftover pork from the night before, I'm going to be making some Cuban sandwiches, which is I'm going to be doing bacon instead of ham. And that's what I bought that for, with pickles and all that good stuff. And I'm just going to serve that with some fries. So that is our weekly meal plan, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this a like and make sure you subscribe. And I will see you guys next week with another meal plan. Monday, I will be posting the first of my 3-part fall dessert series. It will be apple fritters. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Don't miss it. I'll see you later. Love you. Bye.